Hello! In this video I plan to document the installation of the Pfeiffer Marine lazy jack system onto my small sailboat, which is an Aloa 29. By the way, I'm not at all sponsored by Pfeiffer Marine, it just happens to be the brand that I bought. So if you're thinking of installing a lazy jack system on your small sailboat, and in particular the Pfeiffer Marine one, then hopefully this video will help you.
Welcome to the voiceover part of this video. Here's the unboxing. So it comes with a set of instructions in French, German, and English, and all the parts are neatly inside. Here I am just taking them apart, looking at all the parts. It comes with the lines for the left side of the mast and boom and the right side as well. The other thing that you'll need is one 3.2mm drill bit and one 4mm drill bit for drilling into the aluminum boom and mast. And before I start any installation, I like to just check to make sure I have all the parts. So first thing is measure the length of the boom. And here I am doing that, and it comes to 128 inches. Just checking to make sure it's right. So with 128 inches, I used the instruction manual to figure out what the other sizes should be, and they are 16, 56, and 96 inches. So here I am going out and measuring those three lengths from the end of the boom, because that's where I will need to start drilling to install the little U brackets. Here I am starting to drill. I wasn't too sure how this would work, so I put some tape on the boom just in case. Taking it really easy at first, but in fact it was very easy. I'm going in and out with the screw because in fact the screw I think is 3.4mm into a 3.2mm hole, and so you're actually making the threads as you screw it in. And I've come back here with the actual U-bracket that we have to install, and very easy then for me to screw the others, or to drill the other side. No measuring involved. I decided to go ahead and remove the tape just because there was really no need for it, and I come back and affix the U-bracket. Here I am on the other side, just drilling the holes, and then coming back with the screwdriver and tapping the threads using the screw. At this point the rest was pretty easy. You just repeat for the other 6, and you can see here I'm getting quite fast at it, setting up a little bit of a production line.
Buddy, you wanna come back down? Come on. Come on. Come. Over there. Come on, go. Go on. Okay, now over here. Come on. Over there. Go on, go. Up, up. Okay, couché, buddy, couché.
Alright, so far so good. I've managed to install all of the little U-brackets on the boom. And in true sailing fashion, I think it's time to take a break. So I'm going to make myself a nice hot tea.
Okay, back to work. So the big dimension of X1 is 1.5 times the length of the boom, so that's 192 inches. And I decided to see how far up that really is by sending my measuring tape up the halyard. But before I did that, I wanted to attach a rope to it just so that I can make sure I retrieve it. So here I am sending up the tape measure along with the extra rope up to 192 inches. I attached the tape measure to the rope and then just wanted to get a visual to see how high that would be, and it ends up being about 3 feet above the spreaders. Here I am just retrieving the halyard, cleaning up the cockpit again. I decided to continue. Here I am on the mast, installing the little U-brackets. The mast is considerably thicker than the boom, so I'm struggling a little bit to thread these screws. The right one went okay, this left one I was really having trouble with. And you can see I'm going back and forth to try and make the threads, and it's really not working very well.